Hello friends, welcome to the series of functions in C language. In this video we are going to learn how to pass the reference of a parameter to our function. Reference is the location of our parameter in the memory. So when we are going to pass the reference, it means we are passing the address of our parameter's location inside the memory. Any change in this now will change the value of actual value of the parameter inside the memory. So let's look. First we will define a function. Suppose we are going to change the value and we have only void type here. We are taking only one variable, one parameter. Now we are changing the value of this local variable. A is local here because its domain and its scope is only inside this function. If we try to call this function, this variable outside this function, we will get an error. So without calling this function, let's check the scope. A is defined inside this function change. It's the local variable of this function. If we try to call or use this variable outside the function, we will get an error. Let's call it, let's use its value. So A was not declared in the scope. It means A is the local variable of change function. We cannot use it in any other statement or any other function. Similarly, X is the local function. X is the local variable of main function. We cannot use it in change function. This is because of the scope limitation. Local variables can be used inside the function where they are declared or defined. So we cannot use them globally. We have to make them global variables, or we can use another method which is passing by reference, but it is not the process to use a local variable as global. To use a local variable globally, we need to make them a global variable. Here I am going to differentiate you between the local value and the reference value only. Local means if we use A outside the function, we encountered an error, but it means A is 6 and A remains 6 inside this function. Similarly for x equals to 10, it means it has a hard-coded value 10. It remains 10 unless I'll change it. So if I change the value of x here, the change will be reflected in this variable. But what happen if I change the value of A, and this will change the value of x? Means I updated A from 6 to 7, and this 7 is reflected in x, means x is now equals to 7. How it will occur? It is because of the reference passing. So let's have a look. So call the function. Before calling, let's run it. Nothing is inside A because function is not called, so a garbage value will be printed. So x is equals to 10 because x has a value, and function is not called, so it has nothing, and it is not called, so it is not displayed. Now call the function change and pass value x. Now run it. X is 10 and A is 10. It means every time if we change x, this change will be reflected in A. but any change in a is doing nothing for x. X is 13 but a is 14. So if we display x again, x is same, x equals to 13, x equals to 13 after function calling. So if we pass the reference of our variable, if we pass the reference of variable x, and this value x is goes to a, and now if I update a to 67, what happens? X is 67, a is 14 because I have incremented it here. Let's run again. X is 13, yes, x is 13, function is called, so this statement will be executed. A is 13 because x is passed to the function which is 13. Now a is updated to 67, but function, after the function we have to have the statement which is displaying the value of x. Now x is 67 but we have updated a. It means a has changed the value of x inside the memory. So the location where our variable is stored is updated, not the value of x, the value on the location of the memory is updated. So this is done by reference type. Local variable of a function change the value of another local variable passed to it, that is parameter x. The value of x is changed by the local variable a because x is passing its location to a. So this function type is called, this function calling is called calling by reference. So only difference is an AND operator after the data type.